Now let's continue our discussion on the solution to the examples. Let's switch to the page with the title Free Fall in Vacuum. So they are done. So okay, let's look at this MC question from 2009. Now, the first statement is that the velocity of an object thrown vertically upwards is 0 at the instant the object reaches the highest point. So this statement must be true. We learned that in chapter 2 about the free fall motion. Because at the highest point, it is not going up, it's not going down, so the velocity must be 0. So the first statement is true. Now the second statement is that the acceleration of an object thrown vertically upwards is 0 at the instant the object reaches the highest point. This statement is not true, whether there is air resistance or not. Because when there is no air resistance, the only net force acting on it is the weight mg. So the acceleration must be the net force divided by mass, which is g. And if there can be air resistance, but at the highest point the velocity is 0, so there is no air resistance, so the net force is still mg and the acceleration is still g pointing down. So the second statement is false. Therefore the answer is true false, which is option C. Okay, let's take a break.